What's up, guys? We are back with the VR6. Since the last video, I took the subframe to my work, put the CSH solid subframe mounts in, my BFI stage 2 engine mounts, and then I just put the front clip on for now. The intercooler we did last video, and then today I have been working on with the turbo kit. It comes with the T connector here with the oil pressure sensor, and then the turbo feed line that goes up and around. You can run it a bunch of different ways, but that's just the way that I liked it. To my teal 45mm wastegate downpipe, wastegate to downpipe, and then my Garrett GT35 82R. I think I'm gonna put the oil return probably like right there. It's got to clear the axle, which is kind of a pain in the ass. The turbo's actually water cooled too, which I didn't even really realize. I had to clock the turbo. I'm gonna make it go up and over. I gotta pull it away from there a little bit, otherwise it's probably gonna melt on the manifold. So that's as far as I got there. I have the oil pan off, and I am starting to get it where I want to put the drain at. I'm probably gonna put it on the top side of that there. For the turbo drain, I got all my wiring harness hooked up. My injectors are in, turbo's in, with the feed lines in. I'm gonna make the intake come up through here. I think I relocated my fuel lines. Got to cap these off. I think I'm gonna try to make the intake come up right in here. I can grab the intake right here with the 4-inch MAF housing. I think I'm going to put it kind of like this. Try to tuck it in there as good as possible because the intercooler pipe is going to come up and down next to it. And then I have to plumb the wastegate yet. I'm going to wait till I get the intake in because I got to tap that and get a vacuum distributor block. Still got to do my turbo cooler lines back in there. Bleed the clutch. I do need to remember that I have a clip off right there. Then I have a gray fab solid dog bone engine mount for the rear, and then I have their 24 valve coolant reservoir on the way, and then I have their power steering reservoir on the way, which will be mounted right here. So that's pretty much as far as I can get at the moment until I buy some more things. So yeah, also making a table out of this block, this old block that I'm not doing anything out of, which I think might turn out pretty sweet. I guess we will see how it comes out. Might get it powder coated, might just paint it. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, this is one of my engines I overheated. I mean, you can tell when you look at the valves. I mean, they're pretty burnt. One of the pistons had a pretty big burn mark in it too. And I mean, this one just got super hot. So yeah, I guess we'll see you on the next part.